I've been feeling a little bit lost recently. This is what I feel like, almost speechless, and I just don't know how to get around it. I'm just so nervous being in front of a camera. And I'm trained as an actor, where I should be happy to be in front of the camera, but I'm so just nervous about just being myself. Like, I'm so locked into the world and growth and trying to get better and working towards the next thing and achieving dreams and ambitions, and that sometimes I forget to just enjoy life. And it's like I feel like I'm waking up like years later, hours later, minutes later, I don't know, I don't know if this is even making sense, but I get so lost in my own thought that I just lose time. And I'm just thinking about everything, and I'm just thinking, and I think that's the issue. Is I think and I don't action. I think and I think and I think something into being a good idea, and then all of a sudden I think about it and I start thinking about the negatives and the drawbacks, and then the reason why I don't want to release it or make it or even think about it anymore. And then it's kind of just like a loop. So I put all of this effort and thought into making something and then flushing it down the drain in the next sort of thought progression. Sorry if it's really annoying. I'm chewing gum, by the way. I have stopped vaping now, which is really good. And this is just normal chewing gum, not nicotine chewing gum, although I do have some. I really struggle living in the present, right here, right now. I'm always just thinking of where I want to be, or where I've come from. And I forget to just kind of live sometimes, I went for a run earlier, and there was a moment where I just thought, like, maybe this is what life is all about, I just ran and I felt the sun on my face. And that was it. I've been working on 2 feature films for the last 4 years. Neither of them have been released yet, but both. One is currently with a sales agent,